Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to answer one of the most common questions. How to get your first students? To help you with this question, I'm going to be explaining one of the most proven marketing strategies. In this strategy, I will show you in detail how it works and how it will help you to sell your online courses. But first, please take a moment to give this video a like and to subscribe because seriously, every time you do it, it really helps my channel, so thank you so much for doing it. So, how to get your first students? If you choose to host it in a marketplace, they are going to do the marketing for you, so you do not need to worry about it. While if you choose self-hosting, marketing is a big part. For that, I will introduce AIDA, attention, interest, desire, and action. You want to create attention, then people are going to be interested. They're going to desire your product, and then they're going to take action and buy your course. How to do that? Many ways exist to reach that, but I'm going to talk about one way to sell your courses, and in my opinion, it is a very powerful way, although it takes a lot of work, but once you set up the process, you're going to reach your targets. The webinar funnel is the way used by the top online instructors, which is a set of strategies to build trust over a series of steps, so people are more likely to buy. Think about it like that. Only dropping your course on a website will not get you sales on its own. That is why the funnel will help you getting massive sales for your courses. The funnel looks like this. First, you need to drive the traffic. Paid traffic is the fastest way, not limited to Google Ads, Facebook or YouTube. Then, you're going to have to send the traffic to a landing page to collect their emails, and to do so, you're going to use what it's called an ethical bribe. You're giving them a little gift, like a PDF or a mini course, and in exchange, they're giving you their email address. As you know, you can keep following up on them within an acceptable limit. After giving them the gift, you're sending them to a webinar using Google Hangouts or a paid service like GoToWebinar, which is like a live presentation, but you're selling it at the end. On the webinar, you're going to give a lot of valuable tips, and at the end, you sell them the course and get payments through a payment system. By doing this, you can charge much more than $20. Instead, your price can be between $100 to $2,000. Another way is by free traffic, which takes more time since you need to blog a lot, get found on social media, YouTube, then direct the traffic to your blog and ask them to opt into your email list. After that, you're going to send them a series of emails that provide a lot of value through articles, videos, and preparing them to get to your webinar. A very important point to explain is that there are different types of traffic. Cold traffic, people who do not know who you are yet, they just get interrupted by a paid ad and they got interested to check what is behind that ad. At this point, they do not know you and there is no trust. You transfer them to your landing page where you need to build trust with them. Otherwise, they will leave. That is why the landing page should be prepared well. Warm traffic. People found you. For example, you have a very interesting content on your YouTube, which is a great strategy to build warm traffic. And then you can send them to your email form, adding them to the email list and lastly to the webinar. By a series of automated emails, you can convert them from warm to hot, which means they trust you and they are interested and now they're ready to take action. You take them to the webinar, explain to them more details and sell them the course. By this point, only the interested people are going to go. Do not expect if you send 100 invitations that 100 people will show up. The whole thing is to warm them up through email sequence. On the cold traffic, the landing page is going to warm them up. Cold traffic does not convert well compared to warm traffic, which is much easier to convert because of the established trust. Hopefully you liked this video and found it helpful. You can also watch the full playlist about how to create and produce online courses. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now it is your turn. Are you going to put your course on a marketplace or you prefer self-hosting? Let me know by leaving a comment below.